Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla, my channel about Tesla cars and about driving in Hong Kong. So here we are, city driving, and a red bus pulls up alongside me, but obviously just over the stop line, just like the motorcyclist to my left. My Tesla allows me to accelerate ahead of them, and I take the middle lane, while the motorcyclist filters through on my left, and the red bus eventually catches up and moves again alongside me to my right. Notice how the silver Toyota avoids the white bus by crossing over the lane and taking up 2 lanes. The white bus also takes up 2 lanes without signalling. I think it's partly to do with the road cleaning truck up ahead blocking his lane. And that's my double-decker sandwich in Hong Kong. As always, thanks for watching and safe driving.